Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the service where you need to update payment details. Have the new card or bank info in front of you. This speeds entry and reduces errors. Once signed in, go straight to Payments, Billing, or Account Settings and confirm the account email and 2FA code if prompted. Make sure to note which method is set as default and whether active subscriptions are tied to it. This avoids accidental service interruptions later. Now you'll add the new payment method. Choose Add Payment Method and pick Card or Bank Transfer. Carefully type the card number, expiry, CVV, and billing ZIP. If it's a bank account, use routing and account numbers exactly. Once entered, review the form for typos and use the Verify or Save button. If this replaces your primary funding source, set it as default. Make sure to check for confirmation messages. If the system requires small verification charges, note the amounts for later confirmation. Finish by confirming the new method is saved and verified. Many platforms perform a $0 authorization or small charge. Verify that transaction in your bank within 24-48 hours and approve it if required. Once verified, switch any subscriptions to the new default and remove the old method only when you're sure it's no longer used. If a payment fails, check card limits, address mismatches, or pending bank holds. Contact support with the authorization ID if issues persist to resolve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.